Okay, guys, so this is my recap of Uthando Nesthembu season 9, episode 14. Basically, today, Umacele was coming back from the retreat. Numayeni was coming back from the retreat. The 4 episode long was it 4 episodes? Much longer, probably like 6 to 8 episode long retreat that was taking place in the Mselegu household, where Mselegu decided to take his wives out to a hotel, and then Bamdabe was there, Benusis Dobe, to basically give the family a counseling session because the Mselegu family had broken down completely, right? So they went together to that therapy session. So now Umato, Umacele, and Umayeni are debriefing. And it seems like babuyisane, they hate each other even more now because Umato has animosity towards Umakhumalo because Umakhumalo ngesikhathi egonyuluka ekhipha into engaphakathi. In regards to Umacele, she mentioned ukuthi Umacele basically spoke about the fact that uThobile wathathela ukuthi ezoletha iy'ngane kaMselegu, but she hadn't done that. It's as if the way Thobile put it, it was as if Umacele was mocking her for that. But Umacele took the opportunity this week to basically say ukuthi she when she spoke about not having ingane and things of that nature, she was referring to herself and Mselegu, the painful words he said to her when she could not conceive Umacele, and Umakhumalo basically misunderstood. So my question is this: if Umakhumalo misunderstood, and that is indeed what Umacele meant from jump, I feel like that was the perfect opportunity for Umacele to clear that up. Why did she not clear that up at Dufflin? Like, why did she have to then? It's as if she had to go and sleep acabange overnight. What is she going to say to cover herself? Because why ngashongo ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi no, kahle kahle, the reason why ngilentulizile, the reason why I said that I wasn't talking about you, I was talking about myself, because namselegu wake wawasho lawo magama kumina. So why couldn't you? Because Umacele, she's one person who's very straightforward and upfront. Into bengayithandi uyisho immediately. Why why did she omit it when they were on the table, right? But fine, okay. Wakhipha-ke nanokuthi wakhipha nje ama-secrets ukuthi Umakhumalo, before she came to the Mselegu household, she was ngathi uswayethwele but ingane yomunye umuntu before Mselegu, and then wase waveza nanokuthi Mselegu has been protecting Umakhumalo in regards to her IVF journey, and insinuated the fact that Umakhumalo hadn't been honest all this while in regards to the IVF journey, and blaming Umthombeni for it, whereas multiple avenues were looked into in order for Umakhumalo to have a baby with Mselegu. It's not just one. It's not just one. So it's as if like she's insinuating the fact that Umakhumalo is not truthful about her pregnancy journey in order for her to look like the victim. But Umselegu has been helping her, like in terms of trying for the baby. He's not the villain that Umakhumalo is allegedly painting him out to be. And my thing is this: Umacele ungenaphi endabeni zamthombeni no Thobile. Because if you have a problem with Umakhumalo, ngifila ngazukuthi your problem should be in regards to what Umakhumalo has done to you personally. And it feels like Umakhumalo hadn't really done anything personally to Umacele except taking her husband, allegedly. But nje there's nothing like akaze amnyathele, ingakho enganayo into angayibambelela ayisho ukuthi Umakhumalo uyishilo kuyena. Hence why she's now saying zonke izinto Umakhumalo has done to ubabakhe, of which babakhe it's all of their husbands. So Umakhumalo can basically do anything to her husband because it's between her and her husband. Umacele kahle kahle akangeni, so nje ngifila ngazukuthi Umacele should just take an L. Umakhumalo umtshelile nje, umgivile, and she just needs to get over it. Like, you win some, you lose some, such as life. Get over it. Allegedly. Moving on, Mayeni was sitting with Usisi wakhe debriefing about But her problem wasn't necessarily about Umayen's problem wasn't necessarily about the retreat in itself, but it was about Umzumbe as a whole. About Umzumbe as a whole, like the disrespect that she incurred while she was living in Mzumbe, and basically she brought up the fact that umseleku wayehlala kaMacele ngesikhathi egula, and then khathi sebuya kaMacele watshela uMayeni usicela azomlanda kaMacele ngoba njengoba esoshabeni ufuna ukugoduka umseleka eMzumbe. So wambuyela kuShibasa, wasuka kubo wayolanda umseleku kaMacele baya eMzumbe. So now umseleku was basically uMaye njengoba besekhona eMzumbe, her flight was the fact that yena uze eMzumbe uzogada umseleku. So umseleku besemshiye ehamba air to the other wives, then why is she there? Because she could have just come there mese kusuku like mese kuyi-10 like she did not have to be there. And again, apparently she got into an argument Numbali in regards to that. And then they showed a clip of Mangwabe basically referring to the incident just to prove what it really did indeed happen. And Mina, I feel like if Uguti Umbali Uti Ushibase, if Umbali ethi uShibase should not have usuku nomseleku, lo suku leli uShibase wafika ngalo umseleku ngalo mekwelambali, umseleku wayefana atshela uMbali ukuthi azomlanda, angamceli uShibase ukuthi azomlanda because obviously izobaxabanisa leyo nto. But-ke to be fair, umseleku wayegula that day, so I'm sure ukuthi akacabanganga, mhlawumbe wacabanga wafika to a certain point, akacabanganga wafika to the end. So kwase kwaxatshanwa kanjalo. But I get both sides ukuthi akukwazi ukuthi ungahamba ushiye eMzumbe and then bese ubuya eMzumbe ukhale sakhe isicathulo. But at the same time futhi I get uShibase's side ukuthi angeke uzokwazi ukungisusa eshabeni ukuthi angize eMzumbe bese kuze eMzumbe futhi ungishiye uhambe. I could be at home, I don't have to be here, I don't want to be here, I'm here for you. So I get both sides, yabo. But basically Umayeni was basically saying his wives have disrespected her long enough and she's been looking the other way and stuff of that nature. I feel like Umayeni likes playing the victim, and akakwazi ukuthi she lacks accountability. Uyakwazi ukutshela abantu ukuthi yini wrong ngabo kodwa yena akakwazi ukuyibona. So that's like dangerous. It's even what uBamdabe said ukuthi uShibase is very smart, but ukuhlakanipha kwakhe it borders along arrogance, because ukuhlakanipha kwakhe ukusebenzisa ngendlela engekho right sometimes. Ukuhlakanipha kwakhe kuba isikhali sokulimaza abanye abantu avikeleke yena, and that's not objective. You need to be fair. Like as much as yes ufila ngathi udelelekile, but nawe why, like what about you triggers that type of reception from other people? That's also something that she needs to basically take into account. But other than that, there was the episode iphelele lapho-ke umseleke engaconfirmanga ukuthi uMakhumalo was she indeed pregnant or not before her relationship with him. And yasitshela some highlights of umseleke basically finding out ukuthi uSine is pregnant with her 4th child, and kwashuba. So I'll be back to give you that. Until then, thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe for more of my videos and like if you agree with me. If you don't, tell me why you don't in the comment section. Other than that, good night and have a beautiful day ahead.